The first thing that you need to do when deciding to sell on Amazon is to choose your seller account type. Should you choose individual or professional? 1 year ago, my husband and I started our seller account. We learned about sourcing, packing, and shipping in just 2 weeks. We sent our first batch with 112 products to Amazon on July 5th of 2020. This is the graph of our first month of selling on Amazon. I'm telling you this story so you can see what's possible and understand better which seller account type you should choose. As you can see, in our first month of selling on Amazon, we sold 70 products and we made over 2,000 in sales. And we made our first sale on the middle of the month on July 18th, and we sold $75.75 on that day. Our second month of selling on Amazon, we sold 429 products and we made over 18,000 in sales. And just on August 15th, we sold 34 units. So today I'm going to explain the difference of these two accounts so you can make the best decision for your business. If you go to sell.amazon.com, click on pricing, then select selling plan. You can see that for the individual account, you pay 99 cents for every time you make a sale, plus additional selling fees. And for the professional account, you pay $39.99 per month, plus additional selling fees. So if you sell more than 40 units a month, the professional account is going to be already cheaper than the individual account. And as I showed earlier from our original sales, it's very easy to sell more than 40 items a month. You can actually sell more than 40 items a day if you know how to choose the best products. The professional account also has all the benefits that the individual account doesn't have. For instance, with the individual account, you cannot use third-party services like Inventory Lab, Scorify, or Repricers, and I use all of these services to grow my Amazon business. You cannot apply to sell in restricted categories on Amazon. I have applied to sell in many categories like groceries, the subcategory toys, topicals, pet food, and pet care. And being engaged in these categories means that I don't have any problems trying to find products to sell. You cannot use advertising strategies. We advertise our products every day on Amazon, and we have sold more than 6,000 in 1 year with just Amazon advertising. When you know how to do Amazon advertising, it's a great way to sell more products on Amazon. By the way, I just created a video on how to sell more products with Amazon advertising. After you finish this video, check it out so you can also learn how to make more sales on Amazon. You're not eligible for the buy box unless you do Amazon FBA. The buy box is where over 80% of sales happen, so you definitely want to have this feature not only for Amazon FBA but also Amazon FBM, because sometimes you want to sell on Amazon FBM whether Amazon is taking too long to make your products active, or you sell high cost products that you prefer to fulfill your customers yourself. You cannot access most reports generated by Amazon. These reports are very useful when it comes to things like doing your taxes or figuring out what inventory is good in the long run. So my final thought is you should definitely choose the professional account if you want to take your Amazon business seriously. Selling more than 40 items a month is totally feasible, plus the other benefits are totally worth the $40 a month. Remember, you're only paying $40 a month to sell on the biggest selling platform on the internet. Remember to subscribe for more videos on how to build multiple income streams, and comment below when you plan to send your first or next batch of products to Amazon.